Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW X3, and let me tell you, BMW's best-selling model just got even better. This fourth-generation luxury compact SUV brings more power, more tech, and surprisingly, keeps the price tag in check. Let's get into all the details. Starting at $50,675, the new X3 arrives with two flavors, the X330 xDrive and the spicier X3 M50. And yes, BMW's dropping the I from their gas models, saving it exclusively for their electric lineup. What's really impressive is that all-wheel drive now comes standard across the range. Pop the hood and you'll find some serious improvements. Both engines now feature 48-volt mild hybrid systems. The base 30 xDrive packs a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 255 horsepower, while the M50 flexes a beefy turbocharged 3-liter inline-6, producing a whopping 393 horses. Both engines pair with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. Speaking of performance, the numbers are pretty impressive. BMW claims the base model hits 60 in 6 seconds flat, while the M50 should rock it there in about 4.2 seconds. That's seriously quick for a luxury SUV. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in tech heaven. The new iDrive 9 infotainment system debuts here, and unlike some recent BMWs, they've kept that fantastic rotary controller. You've got touch inputs, voice commands, and even gaming capabilities when parked. Plus, they've added Spotify and Amazon Music integration for all you music lovers out there. The interior comfort game is strong too. Standard heated and ventilated sports seats come in 3 different synthetic leather colors. And if you're feeling fancy, you can opt for genuine leather or a cool faux leather and suede combo. There's even this unique woven fabric instrument panel made from recycled polyester, a first for BMW. On the road is where the X3 really shines. The body structure is stiffer, the suspension is refined, and if you opt for the M50, you get standard adaptive dampers. These are optional on the base model, by the way. You've got 3 drive modes to play with: personal, efficient, and sport. So you can dial in exactly how you want your X3 to behave. The tech doesn't stop at entertainment. The driver assistance features are next level. Sure, you get the usual automated emergency braking and lane departure warning, but check this out. The optional Parking Assistant Professional package can actually park your X3 in a pre-saved spot while you're standing outside the vehicle. Perfect for those tight garage spaces. Fuel economy is impressive too. The 30 xDrive achieves 27 city and 33 highway mpg, while the more powerful M50 still manages 25 city and 30 highway. Those mild hybrid systems are really pulling their weight here. Now let's talk styling. Sure, that front grille might spark some debates at your local Cars and Coffee, but the overall design has grown more substantial. The X3 is slightly larger than before, and that extra size translates to real benefits, like 32 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats. That's 10% more than the previous model. And if you're planning some adventures, the X3 can tow up to 4,850 pounds when properly equipped. That's plenty for a small boat or camping trailer. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 BMW X3? It's a solid evolution of an already winning formula. Sure, some might debate the grille design and the infotainment menus could be more straightforward, but these are minor gripes in what's otherwise an excellent luxury SUV. While competitors like the Genesis GV70 might turn more heads, and the Porsche Macan might be slightly sharper in the corners, the X3 strikes an impressive balance of luxury, performance, and practicality. It's easy to see why this is BMW's bestseller, and with these updates, it's likely to stay that way. That's it for our review of the 2025 BMW X3. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Let me know in the comments what you think about BMW's latest upgrade to their popular SUV. Until next time! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.